Okay, I think you can see me okay right now. You can see that light too? Yeah, all right. So you can see me okay. I forgot my tripod, guys, so I stacked up some buckets, put a box on it. And, well, yeah, I would show you, but I just got the camera set. But I was given a different knife to try. Looks like this. It's kind of weird. It's made by, give me a minute, Advance Tools. Am I gonna like it? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna try it though. I'm gonna try it for wiping down these flats. But what I do like about it, you know, I have another wipe down knife that I've used for years. I learned to use it in Arizona when I was working in Arizona in the 80s. And I've been using that type of a wipe down knife ever since. It's got a tube for a handle, just slips right on the top of my glazing pole, because my glazing pole has got a long thing like this, and it's curved, and it works really well. I can use it. This is my other wipe down knife. It's hollow too, slips on the end of my glazer pole or sand pole or whatever pole you want, even a broom handle. And I've been wiping down with this. But what's neat about this, if you can see that, I don't know if you can or not, it's threaded. So I took the broom off of my broom handle, and I'm gonna stick my broom in, I'm gonna stick this in here, and it tightened up very well. And I'm gonna tape some flats. So I gotta hit a couple of butt joints here first, and then I'll tape a couple of seams. So just bear with me, and we'll see how this thing works. I have a butt joint here. I'm going to hit this one here too. Let me get these wiped down, and then I'll do these long seams. So we'll try it. Try this. Actually, that was just absolutely awesome. So I really like the way that just wiped down. That was actually really awesome. That did a really, really good job, guys. I think I got a new favorite knife. I think I want that at a 10 though, not an 8, a 10. So, but let me try the flats, these long flats. Got a couple of them here I'll put in. Got a few obstacles here in my way, but let me try this again. I had a few obstacles that I had to get past. So, one more time. I'm about to run out of mud here, so let me add a little bit more. Now normally I would have went through this entire room and I would have put in all the butt joints before I started taping any seams whatsoever. But oh my gosh, guys, that was incredible. That was really good. That really works very well. Oh my gosh, my new favorite knife. Seriously, that's my new favorite knife right now for wiping down tape. My biggest problem is with the helper, wiping down tape. They blister it to death. They don't do a very good job. They don't get the mud flowing out on both sides. You can't help the mud flow out on both sides with this one. Wow. Hey, this thing is great. My new best knife. That was unbelievable for wiping down tape. So you guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.